Bah. Ano ko teglluutautaq phone 3D-spillassan teglluatsi.
Dead Space.
Minnerungittuми soqlarmukarniarnerlumeqqaamang. Аллартиннериамораси. Kiullerkalattajaarnikuttu. Ipasaktunguami. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da.
Remember, when you reach the morgue, find Captain Mathias's body. Get his rig codes, and the computer's all ours.
Security clearance required.
Security quiet. That body. There's so many places out. Story more cheers.
Medical log drive. B. Warwick, Chief Psych Officer. Report of psychiatric observation for patient Harris. B. Employee Harris is asleep. After another dose of sedative, he seems literally unable to sleep without chemical aid. Most people succumb to exhaustion after more than 50 hours of waking, regardless of circumstances. Not Harris. His bizarre explanation of the events on the colony points to the same paranoia we've seen elsewhere planetside. His guilt is not in doubt. 2 security officers were present when he took drive. Shirello hostage and murdered Nurse Evans, and Harris doesn't deny his actions, but he shows no remorse. In fact, he insists there was no crime, specifically, that Evans wasn't a nurse when he killed her. This is classic sociopathic behavior, but Harris exhibits no other symptoms. He is affable and friendly, able to empathize and offer original opinions. When questioned about Evans's murder, however, he becomes withdrawn and uncommunicative. He claims the explanation is stuck in his mind, and that talking about it mixes up its message. He also undergoes intermittent hallucinatory periods, again similar to those experienced by other colonists. During his long waking periods, Harris exhibits writing behavior on any available surface, claiming the dreams need to speak, and that he's attempting to make it whole again. What that means, I haven't determined yet. Given the complexities of his case, I plan to reach out to my colleagues for more insight.
Loop and transmit to all personnel. This is Senior Medical Officer Nicole Brennan. Medical is overwhelmed. We need help. Look at his wounds. We can't handle so many trauma cases, and the command crew won't tell us what's happening. He's seizing. Shit. Maybe I have some PHP left.
Oh, shit. Okay, damn it. Easy peasy, squeezy peasy. Just a moment.
Medical log, Dr. Nicole Brennan. So much for being paranoid. I repurposed this room to run counseling sessions without unitologists interfering. Now it's the only place I feel safe. I recovered a limb after yesterday's attack. Genetically, it's human tissue with bizarre mutations. But it's just a sample. It's not enough to figure out a cure. I need... Wait, where's that report from engineering? Here. The engineers pulled something out of machinery. Limbs missing, torso intact. Okay. Time for a real autopsy.
단지 나라리리리. Panoorin si Matong na Kid. 악동미래 씨, 악동미래 씨. 예. Anh không bay đường nước sọc tắc bất anh. 빰바라빠빠바. Open shop. 유리력 수가 따서 아무 심하고 Sorry. Sao nó noir số của được tên áo to mi. Nông chấm miếng học có trời rồi. Rồi quay sau một cái bị sự chính ở trong trận. Cả ba. 숑숑하고.
Security request retrieved.
You left me.
Ooh.
I woke in the dark with them scratching in the walls. Scratching like rats. And you all locked me in with them. Fuckers. I'll cut them out. I'll cut them out. I'll cut them out.
Yes, oksini sa kanya. Yaba. Sorry. Ah!
Mercer, it's Terrence Kine. You were in surgery, so I left this with Warren. They'll be discreet. I just got the latest report from Aegis 7. The situation's worse than Captain Matthias will admit. 40% of the colony's population is now showing symptoms. Depression, hallucinations, more violence. People are dying down there. I know it's linked to the marker somehow, but I just don't have enough data. Mercer, maybe I was wrong. We need answers by any means possible. That patient, Brent Harris, might be our last hope.
Yo, ako tatanim to. Alay! Kauma na doktuan daw. Kyllä. Spiller qua kyllä. Yay! 이슈슈빠락도 그심이 주작사. Masin ita kukusan kita nga. Simita ko inu makluan. 히히. Kami ako tayo pa si Pun.
Detected.
Lima dong. Naamutin? 아무튼 이거랑 막사와서 꼬았기도 하고 22시 squeezy peasy.
La política de la CS prohíbe la tenencia de partes de cuerpo blindadas fuera de la cubierta de ignorantes no exentos.
I hate this. Otsirakan kaksiraka. Yan, sa bisyo ka. Nafting. Tokunin ko ni Rika kayaman. Misin lang. Livisyowa. Ay. Spilivisyowa. Ayaw wadado.
It is my unfortunate duty to officially pronounce Captain Benjamin Mathias dead. Reports of the exact circumstances surrounding his death are conflicted and will be left for investigators to determine once we return to port. I will constrain my comments to the condition of the body. Subject was in generally good health for his age, though a cursory blood test indicates his leukocyte count was very low, with eosinophils in particular almost non-existent. His pre-flight physical exam showed no such problems, indicating rapid onset, but it does not appear to have had any effect on his death. Multiple contusions on the arms and hands indicate a brief struggle. Pre-mortem light contusions around the ribcage indicate he was restrained. Likely for a brief period. Cause of death was a single prolonged trauma to the ocular body which continued on through the cavity wall and into the frontal lobe, causing rapid neurotrauma, seizure, and death. The angle of penetration into the ocular cavity indicates the injury was not self-inflicted. Examination required the removal of the object to confirm cause of death, but it has been preserved for the investigative team to study. I therefore have no alternative but to record a preliminary verdict of unnatural death. Whether deliberate or accidental is beyond my jurisdiction.
Not Spilivisyowa. Nukuni ko kang naksluni. Tsunami!
Isaac, what's your status? Do you have the captain's rig?
Fuck me! Ugh. Transmitting codes now. I saw it, Hammond. A flying one turned the captain's body into another one of those things. The same must have happened to Chen.
God. Maybe the command computer has something. Where's Daniels when you need her? Head back to the security checkpoint. It's safer there. At least I can upgrade your clearance.
Minong itomik. Hatasin na gawa misto din. Nuraksok ta kaya kasya. Hello? Agad naman mo? Siguri. I got the passport.
Clearance confirmed.
Go for me. Oh, may sinisisa ko na mabisi din na.
Isaac.
I'm here. What the hell's happening?
The computer says the Ishimura's engines are offline. We're on a decaying orbit toward Aegis 7.
Oh god. I have to get to engineering.
There's no time. That tram station's offline. Unless... Here. Head back to the flight deck. I'll guide you from there. If this damage report's right, there's a shortcut to engineering.
Tama, sobrang mo. Takpa mo nga.
Clearance confirmed.
Please confirm. Okay. Di. Asak cinta kayak mo kasi. Pa. No. Nakamabaka. Basta ko ni mga taong gusto nga.
Flight deck tram control. Now arriving at flight deck tram control.
So, kita kanit karo. Napunta sa kanila. Ucaran! Ucaran! Sinabi Dami yok acı. Şiş. Råsuna kadın. So, nadaktarak po kasi. Oy, nasinas na po si Naksak si Mrs. Namasibay. Tiksin mo tagus. Bye-bye.